Hello everyone, my name is Septia Dio. I and my other friends Japi Fangidai and Noli Mumu are presenting our paper entitled Anticipated Guilt in Reducing Irresponsible Driving Among the Youth. Transportation is considered as a basic need because it is essential in daily activities. According to the World Health Organization, the main cause of death for youth is traffic accidents. There are various ways that can be conducted to reduce negative public behavior, one of which is by using public service advertisements that highlight guilt. The anticipation of guilt is much more effective than guilt itself in directing one's behavior because it has preventive nature. Although it is an important concept, research on the impact of anticipating guilt on self-driving behavior is rarely done. This study aims to investigate the effect of anticipated guilt on the intention to use cell phone while driving. The use of cell phones was chosen as the context of this study because of the high number of accidents caused by this irresponsible behavior among youth. Social marketers always attempt to encourage people to comply with social desirable behaviors by using social marketing campaigns. The desired behaviors include quiet smoking, no littering behavior, participating in the family planning program, and driving safely. Social marketing campaigns can contain positive or negative emotions, including guilt, fear, regret, and shame. Safety driving is a positive behavior. However, there are still many, especially youths, who practice unsafety habits when driving, posing great risks to themselves and others. Before influencing compliance, the anticipation of guilt first affects one's sense of responsibility. In the context of donation, for example, one may feel guilty for not giving, therefore the individual feels responsible for the other's difficulties. The anticipation of guilt first affects one's sense of responsibility. In the case of anticipation of guilt, one already feels responsible for the other person's predicament before he even gives help. This would direct the individual to help. In the context of safety driving, the intention to use cell phones while driving decreases when people feel responsible for the safety of themselves and others. Based on the literature review, we present our research model as can be seen in the graphic. We predict the anticipated guilt influences intention to use mobile phone while driving through responsibility. Respondents are adolescents in Kupang City. The respondents were divided into two experimental groups. First group saw public service advertisement containing anticipated guilt content, while the second group didn't see the content. After that, the respondents were instructed to answer questions related to the existing research variables. The results of structural equation model analysis are illustrated in the graphic. First, we found the anticipated guilt influences responsibility, such that high anticipated guilt people felt more responsible than low anticipated guilt people. Second, high responsibility predict intention to use mobile phone while driving negatively, meaning that the higher the feeling of responsibility, the lower the reckless driving intention. We also found the indirect effect in the research model. This study reveals the indirect effect of anticipated guilt on the intention to irresponsible driving. Thus, this study provides the mediating role of responsibility in such relationship. Compliance to social norms and public policies is highly desirable for governments. In the case of traffic accidents, since adolescents are the most affected age group, the findings of the present study could be a remedy for the issue. Government can use social media to facilitate such campaigns since youth use social media intensely. Thank you for listening to our presentation. God bless.